Guys, Jamaica West came out with another reaction. And today guys, we're here with J1 and KSI Swerve. Big up J1, big up KSI. Without waste no time, I wanna just a premiere now, so I'm gonna jump on it right now. We're not wasting no time. So let's go, dog. Let's go. I'm breaking down, so this one I go pause a lot. Okay? If it's not your thing, just exit. I'm breaking down. KSI, big up yourself. Like me say in my last reaction to KSI, obviously everybody know who KSI is, but he's just multi-talented. He's just showing off his talents. Alright, let's go.
Swerve, okay, swerve, okay, swerve, okay, swerve, okay, swerve, okay. Baby twist your waist and make it turn.
Swerve. This is a summer anthem for the girls them. Summer anthem. Baby, just swerve. Just swerve, twist your waist and make it turn. Alright?
Swerve.
Yeah.
Swerve, okay.
Yeah.
Swerve, okay.
Swerve.
Swerve, okay.
Swerve.
Swerve, okay.
Swerve.
Swerve, okay.
Swerve.
Baby.
The girl them look good in the video. The video, they really my thumping on my ears like Iron Mike Tyson in his prime. Jesus Christ. You don't know it. Video with full of woman, you don't know, so that's my thing already.
Baby, twist your waist and make it turn. Really on the beat or just a pussy on the beat. Met this chick for 1 hour, now she pushing me to beat. She ain't.
What I'm saying?
Swerve, okay. Baby, twist your waist and make it turn. Really on the beat or just a pussy on the beat. Met this chick for 1 hour, now she pushing me to beat.
Basically, he might tell you say he's a bully on the beat and use a pussy on the beat. Him just meet this girl for 1 hour and now she pushing him to beat.
Ain't looking at my eyes, I caught her looking at my meat. Had to tell her real quick, I'm probably beating, then I'm bouncing. Savage. Him just explain everything. What I don't need to explain nothing there. So basically, he might tell the girl, and some girls like them something, you know. Some girls love these things, brother. Some girls love these things, you know? Be honest with them. Them know say not to get attached or not to try and, you know? Yeah, girls love them something. Some girls. Gave her one look and now she dripping like a fountain. Baby girl, I need to know, is it me or the diamonds? Back in 011, being bored was never ending. I was.
He must say, yo, him give her one look and she look back at him. But him not sure if for the lifestyle, if for the money, if for the jewelry or him she like. More likely it's gonna be probably the jewelry, dog. Your lifestyle, brother. Yeah, dog.
Was moving apes and bendings and I made like 1,000.
When said this, I'm gonna get that.
011 being bored was never ending. I was moving apes and bendings and I made like 1,000.
He was using 8. It was moving 8 bend. So obviously, he might talk about the street thing. You know? Police, we not get too much information from J1, you know. Know yourself, police.
Vibe too real, now the galley want fuck. Met a couple times and now she's talking about love. I'm getting money, can't you see that I'm up?
Bumbo clap! I like how the beat change. Yo! What's the matter? I'm excited to hear what KSI have on that one, yeah. I'm excited for you that one there.
The Henny and the Coke, I mix it straight in my swerve.
Swerve,
okay.
Hey gal, swerve, yeah gal, swerve, hey gal, swerve.
Okay.
Like I said, I'm excited. Guys, don't forget to like the video, you know. Please, like the video. Like the video.
Swerve, okay.
Swerve.
Baby, twist your waist and make it turn. Swerve.
Swerve.
Swerve, okay.
Swerve.
Swerve, okay.
Lot of light skin in the video. Lot of light skin girl in the video. But I like it.
Swerve, okay. Swerve, okay. Baby, twist your waist and make it turn.
I'm gonna tell them when I'm swerving on the beat. Me obsessed with the ass, I got a hoodie like a seam, you know.
The reason why I can't take him serious because I be for cream going on YouTube, so I can't take him serious.
To make it turn.
I'm gonna tell them when I'm swerving on the beat. Me obsessed with the ass, I got a hoodie like a seam, you know one day.
So basically, I'm tell her, say, yo, I'm obsessed with her ass. Him have to hold it like a seam. You know a seam that's in your trousers or in your shirt. A seam, shirt hold the seam. You must say him want hold the ass like a seam. That's some metaphor them. I like that. So him compare him holding the ass to a seam. I like that.
The only fans I wanna be the only fan that gets to view it. Body sweet and I'ma chew it like a chewer. Hella horny like a runner. What?
You gonna do what, brother? You gonna do what? What you say you gonna do?
I wanna be the only fan that gets to view it. Body sweet and I'ma chew it like a chewer. Hella horny.
You know something that really to support you and your chewing thing. If you want to do your chewing thing, that you're good luck with that. But I like the part where him say him a go he want to be the only fan in our only fan. So basically him alone if you see them thing there. She not for depend on the only fans. You understand? But the chewing part, you depend on your own. Okay, so you depend on your own that one.
Horny like a runner watching porn. I'm a BBC while you're.
You want to do like a what? A rhino watch it. What?
Everybody sweet and I'ma chew it like a chewer. Hella horny like a runner watching porn.
You see why we can't take him serious? You see why we can't take KSI serious? What KSI just said? KSI just said he want to deal with it like a rhino watching porn. Harder like a rhino watching porn. Brother, which rhino watch? Oh my God.
I'm a BBC while you're competing with a thorn. Helicopter doggy, I'm a man that does it all. Aiming at the face of Harry's mama lying down and getting hit her with a ball like a.
Man, want to do helicopter doggy. Basically, in every position, in every room in the house apart from the kitchen. Don't fucking like kitchen. Don't fucking like kitchen. Kitchen not for food. Yeah.
A-train, too quick when on my V game, no lane. Free flowing, you lot are too plain, man's blowing. God knowing that I'ma entertain.
The fuck, sir, I'm breaking down. Like the pausing thing, if it's not for you, keep it moving. But every time the beat change, I have to pause. Cause the beat, brother, the beat just switched automatically like unexpected pan your dog. The beat different. Like shit.
Swerve, okay, swerve, okay, swerve, okay, swerve, okay, swerve, okay.
KSI has just turned out to be a right little pop star. Like, well, not little. A right pop star. A right pop star because him does a move from strength to strength. Him regardless of what you say about KSI. KSI is doing it, G. KSI do it and him do it big.
Baby, twist your waist and make it turn. Swerve, swerve, okay, swerve, okay, swerve, okay, swerve, okay, swerve, okay.
The fact that the chorus is so catchy as well, it's an easy song to vibe to. When the club open back in a dog, when the club them open back in a brother, a problem, you know. When the entertainment sector is open back, a problem, you know. A really problem, man.
Baby, twist your waist and make it turn.
Honestly, why I can't take him serious? Because he's ever up to some fuckery. KSI ever up to some fuckery, but I rate him, I'm a G. Make him myself a G. You always up to some fuckery. That's why I can't take you serious, bro.
Come on.
J and the K. The K and the J. For J1 and K for KSI. We all know that. Them have fun pan set. It would be rude not to. Yo, the song catchy, the video bad, lyrics bad apart from you and your chewing thing, brother. Get up on your own with the chewing thing. But the video bad and make you see that when I get whole heap of view and whole heap of view and whole heap of view. You understand? Guys, this one I'm gonna end that one now. If you like that one now, please leave a like for the video. Please subscribe around there if you're new, and please don't forget to hit the share button. Share the video. Alright, so guys, I'll see you guys on the next one. See you? Peace.